Hello everybody, Cartoonist Ryan here today, and we got the Intrepid in the garage, and you might be wondering why. And I haven't made an update in a while or anything on this, but the other day I got into the car and the blower motor only worked on high, which is a problem that I have with the car I haven't made a video on. Yes, I have another car now. If you see my Instagram, you'll know what it is, but I'm not going to reveal it too much yet because I've been busy. So, but anyway, my blower motor in the Intrepid has only been working on high, and usually that points to the blower motor resistor, which I got a new one right here. It's a Car Quest. I got it at AutoZone. I mean Advanced Auto, because that's where I go for my auto parts. And so I got this heater ducting out right here, and the resistor's up in here. Right there where I'm pointing my flashlight, there's the resistor. This is the blower motor housing right here where the flashlight's on. But this is the resistor back here, and we're going to take it out and replace it. Just thought I'd film it for you guys because I don't really film too often, so why not? I don't know what size bolt those are, so we got to figure that out. And this might be a 9/16. But I mean a 9/32 or whatever it is. Okay. I got the flashlight in my mouth. Hey. Oh, and the flashlight turned away. Alright. I think it is this one. Oh, I dropped it. Sorry about this video quality. It's hard to film and do this at the same time. But, yeah, that's definitely it. So I'll go ahead and take that out, and I'll be right back with you when I take it out. Alright, everybody, I got the old one out. This is the old one. It looks identical to the other one. Definitely looks used. And the new one is in. I popped it in. I have the screws out, but the new one had clips. Where's my flashlight? Where is it? I don't know. Let me grab my phone then. So the new one's up in there now. You can see it. It's clipped in. For some reason, the new one clipped in. Oh, there went my light. That was a slow reaction. But, seems to be in there really good. And now, now we'll see if the blower motor works on other speeds. I hope that's what it is. I don't see why it wouldn't be. I still need to put that heater ducting back in. Okay, let's see. Yep. Works now. That was an easy fix. $33 fix. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna put that heater ducting back in.